All right, man. I'm gonna take everybody back to 1993, man. Actually, 92. I was 13 years old. I loved hip hop music way before it was cool for any small town white kid to be liking hip hop music. You know what I mean? And anyway, I'm gonna take y'all on a time trip, dude. You know what? I always tease and say I'm old when I grow that big crazy Amish Hebrew beard, but anyway, I'm gonna quit pumping gums. Y'all ready to jam for car karaoke? Free six, nigga, what?
Oh, there do I see my father. Lo, there do I see my mother and my sisters and my brothers. Lo, there do I see the line of my people.
Back to the beginning.
Oh, they do belong to me. They vividly take my place among them.
In the halls of Valhalla,
With the grave, they live forever.
Smoke a split with a clip, but there's still on my car, you know. But wild enough to touch the naughty, nasty, nasty nigga, the nasty, trashy, whole happy, pappy. That's happy to be nappy. Me and Ben rock, with squats and flocks and groups and troops with timber boots and jail suits. That's how I roll in my head through dope. When the will I got, wantin' competition ain't dope. Beat you, break you, broke you, smoke you, take you, see you to your little group on you. Sooner or later, you wanna flip, tell them full city, laugh with a dick. And all that other ringling for that shit. Sporty, naughty, hot pot, greater than nature, while I shit. Slam the flim, flam, and can't jam. You can run, but you can't hide, you can't go far. No matter where you go, there you are, there you are. Hit a nigga, kill a nigga, we'll come back. See a sucker, touch a sucker, gorge and raps. Cause it wasn't enough to tell a black man rap. See a 40 sucker, 40 guess who's back. You're chillin' with a teddy feelin' villain. Step into the booty, pretty punks, catch feelings. I got so many guns, call me brother, all I'm bread and butter. Motherfucker, sound gutter. Walking from a gutter, raining steady, heavy as a Chevy. Ready for the pretty back, I'm pretty ready. Place your bet on the deck, the 3-man threat. What you see is what you get. Coming around the corner with my uptown punch. I bet your bottom dollar that your bottom bum jumps. It's a true saying, I'm stepping for a rap fit. Breaking on the wrist hit. Weapon testing on who's the dead man. Ain't no rough, but it ain't enough for the rugged rough stuff. Nigga, if you're tough, knuckle up. I cut your ass like class and blast you by the trash. After I laugh, then I'm dash. You can't handle the scandal of an uptown vandal. Shooting up your toes, making sandals. Somebody told me that you owe me, but can't nobody hold me. I do my dirt all on my own.
That shit back, 1991, Youth soundtrack. Rest in peace, Tupac Shakur. Mad Love, KG, Treacherous MC, Vinny, Naughty by Nature, motherfucker. East Coast, Harlem, Jersey. Fuck, she's 11 team. Peace, free 6 juice pick. Represent. I love everybody, even my N-words. Peace.